dedicated to all our respected teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. A very warm welcome to one and all present here. Today, I, Mihira of class 3rd A, is going to conduct a beautiful assembly on Teacher's Day. The world is full of precious stones, but it is only Guru who makes them diamond and gems. Now let's move towards Ganesh Vandana with Urvi of class nursery and Supriya of class 2nd.
Hello everyone, I am Urvi, class nursery. Vakratundya Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakarisu Sarvada. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria, Siddhi Vinayak Moria, Asta Vinayak Moria, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Hello everyone, my name is Supriya in class 2nd B. घुमावदार सूंड वाले विशाल शरीर का करोड़ सूर्य के समान महान प्रतिभाशाली मेरे प्रभु हमेशा मेरी सारी कार्य बिना विघ्न के पूरा करने की कृपा करें. O Lord, with the curved trunk and a mighty body, whose luster equals that is of all millions, and I pray to thee, O Lord, remove the obstacle from all the action I perform. Thank you.
Thank you Supriya and Urvi for this amazing performance. Now I would like to invite Lohitaksh to present a beautiful song.
Love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको ये सिखाए हैं. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको ये सिखाए हैं. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी बातों से. डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी बातों से. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. Yeah, thank you.
Wow! What a melodious sound it was! It filled me with happiness, as a Guru gives us the secret key of happiness. Now, I would like to invite Yuvan of class KG to present a speech.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuvan Solanki. I study in KGA. My school name is Zawi Public School. I am going to give a speech on Teacher Day. I will start my speech with beautiful song. So join your hands and speak after me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Dasame Se Guruve Namah. So Teacher Day celebrated 5 September. It is birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan was a great president and excellent teacher. Teacher Day celebrated in all schools. Students gave gift card to the teacher. Teachers are like parents, friends and guide. So big thank you all my teacher.
Thank you, Yuvan. Really, Guru is a creator who always enlightens our path from darkness. Now let us see how a Guru mold our life through these couplets.
शिक्षा शिक्षक हमारे देते हैं शिक्षा, शिक्षक हमारे नमन चरणों में गुरु हमारे, नमन चरणों में गुरु हमारे। बिना शिक्षा सूना जीवन है, बिना शिक्षा सूना जीवन है। शिक्षित जीवन सदा नव जीवन है, शिक्षित जीवन सदा नव जीवन है। अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते, शब्द रूप का अर्थ बताते। कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से, कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाते। जो बनाए हमें इंसान और दे सही गलत की पहचान, देश की उन निर्माताओं को हम करते हैं शत शत प्रणाम। आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, आप हमें समझाते हो। हम बच्चों का भविष्य, हम बच्चों का भविष्य आप ही तो बनाते हो।
आपने बनाया है मुझे इस योग्य, आपने बनाया है मुझे इस योग्य कि प्राप्त करूं मैं अपने लक्ष्य। दिया है हर समय आपने सहारा, जब भी लगा मुझे कि मैं हारा। धरती कहती अंबर कहता, धरती कहती अंबर कहता, बस यही तराना। गुरु आप ही हो पावन नूर, जिनसे रोशन हुआ जमाना, रोशन हुआ जमाना। धन्यवाद।
Thank you everyone. It is very true that Guru is a light, Guru is a wisdom and both are essential for our life. Now let's meet some famous scholars who has a great impact on our life.
Hello everyone, I am a philosopher. I was born on 5th September. My birthday is also celebrated as the Teacher's Day. And I am India's second president. Now everyone, guess my name? Yes, you are right. I am Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Teacher's Day.
Hello everyone, I am a popular mathematician. I can solve any calculation in few seconds. I was born on 4 November in Bengaluru in 1929. It earned a place of 1982 edition, the Guinness Book of World Record. Now guess who I am? Yes, exactly. I am Shakuntala Devi and people call me the human computer. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I am an ancient Indian philosopher. I have written many hymns and great Vedas. I am also known as Brahmavadini. Can you guess who am I? Yes, I am Gayatri, the scholar of ancient India. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day. सुप्रभात। मैं करता हूँ गणित और विज्ञान की बात। मैं दार्शनिक और खगोल शास्त्री भी। मेरे नाम पर रखा गया है भारत के उपग्रह का नाम। मैंने लिखा है आर्यभट्ट और आर्य सिद्धांत। है कौन जो मेरा नाम बता सकता? जी हाँ, मैं हूँ आर्यभट्ट, शून्य और दशमलवों का जन्मदाता। धन्यवाद।
Now it's time to welcome Honorable Principal Sir to address the assembly.
Worthy teachers, greetings on Teachers' Day. Good morning, students. Dear students, today we are celebrating the birthday of the philosopher, second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on 5th of September 1888 in Tirutani, a well-known religious center in the then Madras. During his schooling, he acquired Occidental qualities like a sense of duty, punctuality, discipline, and sobriety, together with the Oriental qualities of religiosity, calmness, patience, and faith in God and man. Dr. Radhakrishnan did his BA in philosophy. He studied Sanskrit and Hindi and took great interest in the traditional languages of India. He taught philosophy in the Presidency College, Madras, and later in Mysore and Calcutta universities. He was also the Vice Chairman, the Vice Chancellor at that time of Andhra University and Banaras Hindu University. Among his political appointments, he held the posts of ambassadors and was elected as the Vice President of India twice during 1952 to 56 and 1957 to 62. He became the President of India in 1962. Dr. Radhakrishnan is one of the most and varied on philosophical, theological, ethical, educational, social, and cultural subjects. He contributed numerous articles to different well-known journals which are of immense value even today. He wrote The Ethics of Vedanta and its Material Presupposition. All his later works and landmarks in their respective fields, like The Philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore in 1918, Idealistic View of Life 1932, Eastern Religion and Western Thoughts, Indian Philosophy 2 volumes, and others. When he became the President of India in 1962, some of his admirers approached Dr. Radhakrishnan and requested him that they intended to celebrate 5th September, his birthday. To this, Dr. Radhakrishnan said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be my proud privilege to observe this day as the Teacher's Day. From then onwards, the day is observed as the Teacher's Day. All over the country, it reflects that Dr. Radhakrishnan's love and attachment for the teaching profession. He was very much involved in teaching learning process. Dr. Radhakrishnan's contribution to education is unique. Though he was a multifaceted personality, scholar, renowned professor, orator, able administrator, prolific writer, well-known philosopher, diplomat, statesman, and patriot, his contribution towards education has been stupendous. He said, "Until and unless we have dedicated and committed teachers who take to teaching as a mission in their lives, we cannot have a good education system. Even though he occupied the highest office of the country, he remained a simple person. India's first philosopher president died on 17th April 1975. But his contribution in education is immense even today. So happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Guru Govind Lau Khade Kake Lagu Pae Balihan